Are you looking for the best wireless microphone systems? After several hours of research, our experts have come up with the top 5 products in this video. At number 5, we have the Shure PGXD24 SM58X8. This handheld wireless system is part of the handheld wireless system family. PGX Digital Wireless with state-of-the-art 24-bit digital audio and trusted Shure microphones deliver stunning sound and a strong, clean RF signal. The handheld wireless system includes PGXD4 receivers, PGXD2 SM58 handheld transmitters, a clip, a power supply, 2 AA batteries, a carrying case, and user guide. At number 4, we have the Sennheiser EW145 G3 BUS. It has an enhanced frequency bank system with up to 12 compatible frequencies. The automatic frequency scan feature searches for available frequencies. It has user-friendly menu operations with more control options. The included sound check mode on the receiver makes it possible to check the RF signal strength and audio levels continuously. The Shure BLX288 PG58 bags the 3rd position. This wireless system combines professional quality sound with a simple setup and intuitive interfaces for legendary audio performances right out the box. Since it's precision built and available in a variety of configurations, it's the most accessible way to own the stage. It includes 2 PG58 handheld transmitters, BLX88 dual-channel receivers, 2 microphone clips, a power supply, 4 AA batteries, and a user guide. Next up is the Natty U2100. The U2100 receiver can be used with a single transmitter or with 2 transmitters simultaneously. You have the choice of 3 transmitters, the U1100 HT handheld microphone, the U1100 LT body pack with lavalier or head mic, or the U1100 GT instrument body pack. The Audio Sync Channels download feature sends selected channel information to transmitters by IR senders for easy frequency synchronization. The Sennheiser EW500 945 G3 claims the 1st place. The great technology throughout the microphone system makes this system the ideal singing partner. The feedback-resistant supercardioid microphone capsule reproduces vocals prominently with a smooth response. The powerful handheld transmitter shows all important information on its large graphic display. The optional rechargeable batteries can be recharged just by placing the handheld in the optional charging station. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.